Welcome to our app tutorial for parents with young readers. Let's get started on this adventure of encouraging reading habits in your child. This video will walk you through the app. First things first, download the app and click on the icon to open it. You'll land on the Sign In, Sign Up screen. If it's your first time, hit Sign Up and create an account. Easy, right? Use the same email and password for future logins. Now comes the fun part. Set a daily reading time and goal for your child. This helps build a reading routine. Don't worry, you can tweak this anytime from the clock icon on the profile screen. Once you've got the basics down, you'll see the home screen personalized for your child. It's filled with reading activity, badges, rewards, and book suggestions tailored to their age and interests. Explore the Reading tab to discover a treasure trove of books and categories. From monthly choices to different reading levels and genres, there's something for every young reader. Switch to the Math tab for engaging math resources. It's a one-stop shop for educational fun. The top left menu icon is another way to browse the collection. Tap on a selection to browse collections or books within that menu choice. Search tab at the bottom makes navigation a breeze. You can also use voice search for quick results. The My Path tab offers grade-specific learning paths and assessments. It's a structured way for your child to progress and grow. The grade level is clearly displayed on the left for easy reference. The assessment link helps assess the child's readiness for advancing to the next grade level. The edit icon at the top right of screen helps you track progress along the path and choose a grade-specific learning path. Save favorites and track progress with the My List tab. You can even download books for offline reading, perfect for road trips or quiet evenings. The book covers with the download icon at the bottom left indicates that the books have not yet been downloaded to your device. Once the books have been downloaded, this arrow will be replaced with a check mark, and these books can now be read offline without internet or Wi-Fi. Reading offline is a snap. Just tap the downloaded book cover and choose your reading mode. You can choose from the two options of Read to Me and Read It Myself. If you don't choose an option, the book will begin to autoplay in 5 seconds. Finishing books earns smart coins and unlocks more book suggestions. My List also offers search and filtering for easy book lookup. Want to share the joy of reading? Use the share icon and invite friends to join in the fun. The Profile tab is your parent hub. Manage profiles, track activity, and explore resources to support your child's reading journey. Edit the child profile anytime using the edit icon at the top right of the child's profile image. You can choose an avatar from our collection. Edit the child's name and the age range. You can create up to 3 child profiles. Add another child's profile with the Add Child or plus icon on the top right. The selected profile will show all the details of that child, including the smart coins earned and number of books read, their personal wall of fame, their report, their activity feed, their smart bank, the badges they've earned, and their position on the leaderboard. The My List screen will also display the books or reading list of the active profile. The avatar of active profile current profile is displayed in the center along with the number of books read and smart coins earned by them. The two additional profiles are displayed at the top right. You can easily switch between profiles by clicking on the avatar of the child profile you want to activate. You can also easily spot which profile is active with the name displayed at the top of the home screen and My List. The Badges icon on the profile page lists badges. As your child reads the books and earns badges, these badges keep getting unlocked. Badges earned can be shared with loved ones for extra encouragement. The Activity Feed icon on the profile page lists the books read by your child recently, along with timestamp, book type, the smart coins earned, and reading time. The Reports icon on the profile page displays the detailed reports of the time spent, types of books, reading levels, and top categories of books read by your child. The Smart Bank icon on the profile page shows how many smart coins have been earned, how much has been spent, and how much balance is available to redeem rewards. A great way to teach kids financial responsibility. The kids can redeem their smart coins for virtual rewards. For each reward that they pick, they will be shown the balance available and the price of the reward. If the price of the reward is less than the balance, the child will be able to get the reward. Otherwise, will be prompted to earn more smart coins by reading more. All the rewards redeemed will be displayed under My Rewards in the Smart Bank page. My Wall of Fame icon offers a snapshot of the child's achievements, where all the badges, rewards, smart coins earned are displayed. You can also tap on the rewards to set them as your profile image and share with friends. The Wall of Fame page as a whole with the achievements can be shared with friends and family for additional motivation. Leaderboard icon displays the top readers and challenges your child to climb the ranks. You can also share your child's achievements on the leaderboard with family for encouragement and friends for a healthy competition. It's all about making reading exciting. Parent Resources offer handy tips and insights through videos. Learn about reading benefits, trends, and more. Customize daily reading reminders using the clock icon on the top right. The Settings icon at the top right of the profile page enables you to manage your subscription, sign out, or contact support. It also contains a copy of the terms of use and privacy settings. And don't forget, the Home button keeps things cozy by bringing you back to where you left off. You can invite friends to download and install the app using the Share icon on the top right of the app so that more people can take advantage of this awesome app. Thanks for joining us on this reading adventure. Happy reading with your little ones.